Cheers, my man. Come on.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that perfect medium rare. Ain't gonna kill it twice while we can.
I'm gonna go ahead and take this home with me.
My man. Oh, I think you just took me to school.
We're back later. Much later.
Welcome, Traeger Hood. I'm Chad Ward, my buddy Ken Griffey Jr. Today, we're cooking surf and turf. And we're gonna be cooking them with our new Louisville Slugger pellets. These are made from billets, 100% maple hardwood. It's gonna make this surf and turf a home run. Let's dig into it. So first off, we have these beautiful tomahawk steaks. Would you like one, Ken?
Yes.
There you go. I'll take one myself. Look at the marbling on those.
That is real nice.
That's gorgeous. Well, let's get her seasoned up. What do you think?
Yeah.
Got a little trifecta here. I think we'll do a little bit of each. We got a little prime rib base. You're going prime rib base. I'm gonna go a little beef.
Yeah.
These steaks are looking good.
Yeah, they look real nice.
What you think? I think those are seasoned up pretty well.
They are.
All right, we have our Timberline XL 225 Super Smoke. We've got our beautiful tomahawk seasoned up. Next thing I'm gonna do is the old meter probe. Just in case me and you get to having too good a time, it's gonna let us know.
That's
This
what I like
steak's
about
ready to
that.
come off. I know, keeps us out of trouble. So you just wanna go insert this nice thick part of the steak. Make sure you got her there. I think we're ready to put these on.
Perfect.
All right.
Yeah, we're gonna get in trouble.
Never us, never, never. All right, we're gonna let these go, like I said, 45 to 60 minutes, and then come back and we'll show you the next steps. All right, we have our steak smoking right now. Ken, we got the turf covered. Time to work on a little surf.
Yep.
I say we put together a little compound butter to hit these things with.
Perfect.
All right, if you want to, I'm gonna grab 2 of these lemons. You gonna hit it with a little Old Bay?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, get that seasoning in there. And then you want to hit me with that knife real quick, and we'll
Let you have that.
So Ken, while I cut these up, I'm gonna have you just squeeze them in. Then I'm gonna reach around you here. Get us a little parsley. Try to get it done before that wind hits. I got a little bit of PTSD when I was on Chopped. I did all this for a dish. And before I got Chopped, it all flew off. So get this cut up nice and fine. That's my only chef move I know right there, so I use it a lot. What you think? That look good to you?
That looks perfect.
All right. All right, Ken, we got all our ingredients here. This butter looks good to me. What do you think?
Yep, it looks good.
All right, let's get it on the induction burner. All right, she's rolling. You ready to prep some lobster tails?
Yeah, most definitely.
All right.
So you put it like that.
Yeah, how was you gonna do it?
That's how I do it.
All right. Well, let me get a little deeper. There we go.
So I just leave it in like that. That's the way I do it at the house.
Hey, makes it easier.
Yeah.
Just get that fork in there, or if we do it right, it's just gonna pop out. We can just get it. You up? All right, let's go. My man. Oh, son, I think you just took me to school.
Nah.
Boom. Oh,
Yeah.
I think you beat me on that one. I'm gonna go ahead and give you the third one. Woo! Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sounding delicious already. Would you say this is your favorite seafood, Ken?
Yep. Surf and turf.
Woo!
Perfect.
All right, there we go. Let me check on our butter. We can go ahead and lay these babies out. See if that butter's. All right, got that there. Oh, look at this. Like it was made for it. Let's see that little brush there. Hey. Little slather.
You know I'm lefty.
Yes, sir. Boom, looking good.
Crazy thing is, this does feel normal doing it right-handed.
That's crazy with you throwing left-handed too. So you do everything else right but throw?
Yeah. Golf, anything I have to do, golf, bowl.
Yeah, that's one thing people don't know about you. You're a pretty dang good bowler, ain't you?
I'm okay. You know, I can get there. You know, I'm not to the level of a couple of my guys.
They keep you working, huh?
Yeah.
I like it. I think we got them babies nice and basted. All right, we're gonna let the steak smoke a little bit longer.
All right.
And then once they get, the meter tells us they're where they need to be, we'll crank this baby up to 500, throw our lobster tails on there, sear off our steaks. Surf and turf is gonna come out together. And brother, we're gonna eat.
Yep.
Let's do it.
Lunchtime soon.
So Ken, we've had our steaks on about 45, 50 minutes.
Yep.
They've hit that 120. Let's go ahead and pull them off. I'm gonna turn this thing up to 500 so we can get ready to sear these. What you think?
Nice.
Woo! Yes, sir. All right, so we're gonna crank this up to 500. And now we're gonna slide our lobster tails on. These are gonna take about 10 minutes. Man, that's a nice butter slide that you put on there. And then we're gonna finish our steaks off with a little sear on that 500 degrees. And I've been telling you, it's gonna be time to eat.
Yep. I
Let's do
can't
it.
wait.
All right, so the lobster's been going 10 minutes. It's got 10 more. I think it's perfect time to get these babies seared up.
Yep.
Let's do it. Woo! Boom.
Lobster's looking real nice.
Looking real good. All right, 10 minutes. We're gonna pull them off, rest it. It's gonna be time to eat.
Yep.
All right, we've had our steaks on 5 minutes. It's time to flip these babies and finish the sear.
There it is.
Looking real good. All right, 5 more. Let's go. All right, I've been promising it. It's that time.
Let's do it.
Let's take a look.
Yeah, I'm gonna look over your shoulder.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Boy, that's a thing of beauty there. All right, we got our lobsters. Woo! Got our tomahawks. Ooh, son, if that's wrong, I do not want to be right. So, we're gonna let these steaks, I like to let them rest 15, 20 minutes. You about the same?
Yep.
We gotta let all those juices redistribute. Lobsters, we're just gonna let cool down. We're gonna plate up and we'll go eat.
Perfect.
All right, here it is. We've got our steaks. They've rested about 20 minutes, look gorgeous. I think I'm gonna see what I can do with this knife to get us a little taste of some of this ribeye. Our meter probe's done its job. Thank you, sir. Teamwork. And then I'm gonna go ahead, you're such a good friend, Ken. I'm gonna go ahead and get in this spinalis. This ribeye cap, we're gonna leave that separate because that's some pitmaster treats there.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that perfect medium rare. That's the way we like it. Ain't gonna kill it twice, or we can.
Nope. At the house, I have to though.
Oh, I know. Sometimes you have those.
Yeah. I call it hockey puck.
Yes. Yep. It's.
Then I have that look as the chef of the house going, really? But sometimes you just can't argue with some people.
Nope, just hurts your heart, but you gotta do it. All right, and there we are. Got our spinalis. Boom. Ready to try some?
Yeah.
Let me go ahead and cut you a little bit of this ribeye cap, my friend. Whoop. Tell me what you think.
Oh, that's nice.
That look tender as a mother's love right there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, so you boxing me out?
Yeah.
My job here is done?
I'm gonna go ahead and take this home with me.
All right, you think we should do a little lobster too?
Mm-hmm. There go your fork.
Thank you, sir. Woohoo. Well, cheers.
See you go. See, I gotta cut mine.
See, I just got a little nib off mine. Cheers,
Cheers.
my man. Come on.
Yeah.
You keeping it all now, huh? Golly, that is good.
I got small kids to feed.
Oh, your kid's at the house. Come on now. I love that combo, man. Surf and turf, I think it's just hard to beat. Hard to beat. Mm-hmm. All right, guys. Go ahead. Go ahead.
We're back later. Much later.
All right, Ken, man. 2 great bites. That lobster, that steak, absolutely loved it. How about you?
Yeah, you can't beat that.
No, that's the way to go. So for more recipes like this, you can check them out on the Traeger app or Traeger.com. And make sure, check out the Louisville Slugger Pellets, that 100% maple. Man, it came out tasty.
Yes, it did.
Until next time, keep Traegering, y'all.